guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you a new season luxury collective haul. These are all pieces that I picked up from Farfetch for the new season, transitioning into the new season. I know a lot of you are currently heading into spring. Myself, I am heading into autumn. However, here in Australia, specifically where I live, summer really does linger a lot longer and autumn doesn't really feel very autumn or fall-y, if you will. For me anyway, in autumn I do feel like it's quite spring-esque. It's very warm for me. The summer does linger on. These pieces are building blocks, staples, really basic, comfortable pieces. I guess in my early 20s I kind of had this idea and I fell into this trap of thinking that basic was a bad thing and dressing comfortably and simple meant that you weren't stylish and you didn't look stylish. I don't feel that way necessarily now. I've kind of switched up how I see style and especially what I look to for inspiration, who I look to for inspiration, and I believe that you can be stylish and also casual and comfortable all at the same time. So the pieces I have to share with you very much fit into my new philosophy of casual, stylish, comfortable dressing. So all the pieces I have to share with you today are from Farfetch, and I just want to take a moment to let you know that this video is sponsored by Farfetch. I'm gonna have my code down below along with the list of items that I have to share with you. I personally have been shopping with Farfetch for probably like 7 or 8 years now. Farfetch is a bit of a hub for luxury fashion and it's a great place to find new brands or just different brands that you've never heard of before. I'm always discovering new brands on Farfetch. They stock from over 3,000 boutiques on the Farfetch website. So for instance, one of the items I have to share with you is a blue shirt. If you go to Farfetch and type in blue shirt, you have 2,500 options to choose from, okay? So if you are looking for a blue shirt or just anything, for instance, and you can't find it out of 2,500 items, I don't know what to tell you. They have a selection like no other. The first piece I have to mention is this blue shirt, the one I mentioned. Yes, there's 2,500 blue shirts on Farfetch, but I chose this one. I have been looking for a blue and white pinstripe shirt specifically, and I went with this one. This is by the brand Homie Girls. This one is a size small and it is just, for me, the perfect length. I didn't want a shirt that was too snug and too small. I like a little bit more of an oversized shirt so I can wear it, you know, tucked into trousers. I can also wear it tucked out with some denim shorts, or I can also wear it with some cute little biker shorts as a little bit more of an oversized shirt. And this for me ticks all of those boxes. Like I mentioned to you, I'm trying to move into more of a basic, simple, staples, timeless based kind of forever piece wardrobe. And I actually didn't own a blue and white striped shirt. I do think the blue and white pinstripe is quite a timeless style. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Switching gears to something a little bit more fun and jingly and probably not as spring appropriate. This is definitely, for me anyway, very summer, very tropical vacation, tropical destination clothing. But as you know, I do spend and I frequent Queensland and Port Douglas a lot. So for me, this was very much a beautiful tropical top. This is something that I would just wear so much, especially now that I'm in summer and kind of on the tail end of summer, but also just when I visit Queensland, and that's somewhere I do visit quite a lot. This is a top that I found. This one's by Gaia, and again, I think this is in the is this an extra small? Yeah, an extra small. I just envisioned being able to wear this to Queensland, to Port Douglas, to Fiji or Bali, you know, just out for dinner with my hair in a bun, sipping some wine, by the beach, in tropical paradise. I think it's the linen fabric that makes this a little bit more casual, which I like. I like this because it has those casual elements that I like, but also it just feels a little bit more dressy. The sexy back detailing that's not giving too much away, it's not too revealing, but it's just something fun, it's something different. When I go on a tropical summer vacation, I feel like this would be very easy to pack. It does say, I think it says dry clean. Let me have a look. I mean, it says dry clean only, but I'm a bit of a rebel. And again, I'm not at all suggesting this, but these, like you take these off. So these unclip, the gold chains unclip, and then it's literally just like this piece of linen fabric. Are you telling me that you can't hand wash that? I'm probably gonna try and hand wash it and see how I go, but I just feel like, you know, it'd be so easy to clean and wear on repeat on vacation. This is a brand that I've actually never tried before, and again, that's what I love about Farfetch. I find brands that I've never heard of. This one is Agolde, and it's a Los Angeles based brand. This is a singlet top tank that I picked up in a size extra small. And something I've realized again about my style most recently is I love jeans and I love tank tops. That to me is such a go-to easy casual outfit that I feel comfortable in. And I like to take my casual outfits and kind of up them a notch and kind of take them to the next level. And I feel like a way to do that is by choosing and wearing tank tops or jeans that have just a little bit something different, like a little something different in terms of the design element. And this particular one, as you can see, it's not an ordinary tank. You have this really cute cutout here that also extends onto the back. And I've styled it here with my Mason Margiela jeans, and you know how much I love these Mason Margiela jeans, okay? They're jeans, but again, it's like something different, and I love that the cutout on the jeans and the cutout on the tank, and it just I love it together. So next up, following on that same brand, is a pair of jeans, and I thought I wanted your opinion on these. As you can see in the cutaways, I didn't take the tags off because I wasn't sure, but I'm pretty sure I've made my mind up now. But again, please let me know in the comments down below if you have an opinion on this. I would love to hear from you. These again are by the brand Agolde, and I got them in the size 24, and this is what I want your opinion on, so let me know in the comments down below if you can. I wasn't sure. What I love about Farfetch is they do have like a feature, because especially with jeans, I'm horrible, okay? I'm usually the person that orders 3 pairs of jeans in 3 different sizes, because I'm like, I don't know which size I'd be. But with Farfetch, it actually does say your recommended size, and that's what I do like. So you kind of save yourself from ordering 3 different jeans like I'm partial to doing. And they did recommend that I'm a size 24, and usually they're pretty on the money with that. But let me know if you think I need a smaller size. First, when I tried them on, I was like, oh, I don't know, I'm not sure. But I think maybe it's just because I'm not used to seeing myself in like a little bit of a baggy fit. I did set out wanting a little bit of a baggier jean. These ones, again, like I wanted something, because like I mentioned, I do love my Mason Margiela jeans, but I just feel like I can't wear them all the time. Like, they're so memorable, and they're great jeans, but sometimes they just don't work with everything, I think anyway, and I just want to be able to mix it up and just wear a little bit more of a subtle pair of jeans. So I did pick these ones up by Agolde, and like I said, I did go with the recommended size 24. And at first I didn't think, I was like wondering if they were too big, but the more I think about it, I don't think they are. I feel like I've got enough room to eat and sit down. Like, there's nothing worse than when you sit down and your belly's just suffocating in denim. I also did the karate chop here, like the kick test. I feel like if I can kick my leg, if I can do a sumo squat in jeans, I'm probably good, you know, like I have enough room to move. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you think I need a smaller size, or if these ones look like they fit okay. I do like the fact that it's like this lighter wash. I don't really have a baggy jeans that are a lighter wash like this, and to me this kind of lighter wash is very, you know, spring, summer appropriate. And I do think they make my butt look nice, but let me know if you think I need the smaller size. These are high rise, and that's very important for me. Like, when I'm looking for a jean, I'm studying those models on the websites to a T, okay? I'm studying away. I'm trying to gauge where their belly button is, because that is where I want my jeans to hit, okay? I want my jeans to hit my belly button, and these do. The last 2 pieces I am like so happy I found. I don't know what I was doing sleeping on Wolford for so long, and you know I love those tights, you know they're the best tights I've seen. Their quality is phenomenal. And then when I saw these, I was like, oh, Wolford in my mind does no wrong. So, and I was right, these are amazing. So I personally love, and you'd be surprised how hard these are to find, okay? I've been hunting for a nice, good quality white turtleneck bodysuit for quite some time. I used to have one, and I ended up throwing it out because it was just like a fast fashion. It was cheap. It was hanging on for dear life. It was stained. It was dirty. It was like getting bully, and it was just like the quality was not good anymore. And ever since then, I've been on the hunt for something that I could replace it with. And then I found this. This for me is ticking all my boxes. So like I said, it's the brand Wolford, and I think it's a size, yeah, I got this in extra small. I ended up picking up this one as well. It's just this really nice, beautiful brown color, and it almost has like a little bit of a shine to it, like just a very nice shuttle sheen. That's my Invisalign speaking. Shuttle sheen, subtle sheen. These are just such great staples, basics. If you don't have anything like this, I highly recommend checking out Wolford, because they just have like those really nice basics that I feel like every wardrobe needs, whether it's tights or whether it's turtleneck bodysuits. I don't know if this is something you'd wear in spring, let me know, but I know for me, I'm like spending a lot of time this month at Fringe Festival, which is a festival here, and I think it's like kind of worldwide, but it's currently in Adelaide, and it's just a place that you go and watch good shows and eat from yummy food trucks and sit on the grass and drink wine and just have a really merry time. And similar to maybe how your spring is, for me, especially kind of creeping into this autumn period, the days are still summery, the days are still beautiful, but nights can get a bit cooler, and I just wanted something that wasn't super thick and super, like I could get away with wearing it, you know, in the like late afternoon, but then when the sun goes down and it gets a bit cooler, I still feel like I'm covered and I'm just like nicely temperature controlled. So I love the white. I love the white with those pair of Agolde jeans that I showed you and just some good sneakers. This one as well, I feel like it's just very autumnal. The coloring is very autumnal, so it's perfect as I kind of head more into those winter and autumn months. But I think they had black as well, but just really great staple pieces that I feel like work with some jeans, sneakers, you know, skirts, leather pants, leather trousers. These I feel like are really great transitional pieces because, you know, if you're moving out of wearing sweaters, but it's not quite tank top and you know, like shirt weather yet, I think these are a great alternative for me anyway. These are going to really get me through those transitional evenings. It's kind of that perfect layer where I'm not going to be too hot, but also I'm not going to be too cold. The quality is amazing. I'm so excited for these. So I really hope that you enjoyed my little bit of a collective haul. Share with me what you think about the pieces that I have to share and which ones were your favorite, and let me know what you think about the jeans. Size 23, size 24. Let me know. Again, thank you to Farfetch for sponsoring today's video. I will have that code listed, and if you're interested, I'll have the pieces linked if you want to check them out. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I'm going to have another one linked for you right here. If you haven't had enough of me just yet, feel free to join me over there. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.